Hi gorgeous, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to do a really exciting video. I am actually doing an unboxing of my very first luxury bag, which is, from the title you can tell, it's from YSL, and I am really excited. So if you guys are interested to see which bag I picked up, please keep watching. Alright, so this is what the outer box look like, and you must be wondering like why it's this box, because I actually bought this bag online. I bought this bag from MatchesFashion. It's an online luxury retailer. I think they do two kind of boxes. One is the recycle one and one is this one. So of course, because I was gonna keep the box, so I picked up this box. So this is what the box look like, and once you open the box, it has like this white tissue paper, and it says a little note that, you know, your MatchesFashion.com order was packed carefully by the person name, and then all the details and all that. This is not a true unboxing because I have opened it and I've been using this bag. So once you open this, it comes with a dust bag from Saint Laurent, and you open it and you take it out. So the dust bag, it's nice, it says Saint Laurent on it, and then once you open it, and I have packed it like kind of the way it arrived, so it has like this kind of paper, the back side of the pocket. So you take that out, and this is what the bag look like. I mean, how gorgeous is this bag? It is so beautiful. I was actually a little bit confused about my first luxury bag, like which bag should I buy, because the list is endless, right? So like, I have a thing for YSL. I love YSL bags. I love everything from YSL. I wish I can own every single thing. And the very first thing I actually fell in love with was their I think it's Kate Tassel wallet on chain. I will insert a picture. I saw that one like 2 years ago at David Jones, and I just like fell in love with it. I was like, oh my god, I want this bag as my first bag. But then I saw this one and I just fell in love with the design, and you know how much room it has. It work good as your evening bag as well as your day bag, because it has like sufficient space in it that you can put things in as well. So I ended up picking this bag. And once you open it, I'll take this out, and then it does have like tissue papers in it, so I'll just take those two out. So as you can see, it has like one compartment, one zip here, and then there is like one pocket at the back as well. It does have this like this care booklet and all that, and then it does have like a little, I don't know if you will be able to see it, but it has like little slot as well where you can put your cards, and this pocket at the back, and then this zip pocket, you can like put your cards and all that, and this like big pocket. And then it does have this back pocket as well, which I really appreciate, because I normally put my phone in there, so that, you know, every time I need my phone, I don't have to like open the bag and then get the phone out of it. So I always keep my phone in this pocket here. And then it comes with, of course, the gold beautiful chain as well. So if you're just gonna use it as a like top handle, you can do that, and if you're gonna use it as a crossbody bag or shoulder bag, you can use that as well. I will actually insert a few pictures of me actually using this bag, because this bag is so versatile. You know, you can dress it up, you can dress it down as well. So this is what it looked like with the chain. Chain is so gorgeous. It has weight to it, but it's not too heavy. Like when you're wearing it, you don't like, you know, your shoulder doesn't start hurting or anything like that. This is my YSL college bag, and I am in love with it. I've been using it since I bought it, and I am so happy with the purchase. Yeah, it is like such a gorgeous bag. And then your invoice comes in like this little envelope. So I picked it up from MatchesFashion, and they had like, it's not that I recently picked it up, I had it for a while. So they had 20% off, no sorry, so they had 30% off on the bag, because here we do have a YSL boutique here now in Australia, but there are like no deals or anything like that in luxury stores. We don't get any discounts or anything like that. So it was really good that I was able to find the bag I was wanted, and as well as a discount code. So they had 30% off. So this bag's actual price, it's depend on some website, it's around $3,000. I think it has gone up in price as well. So I have paid for this bag, well, on MatchesFashion. I don't think they have this bag anymore. If they'll do, I will actually link it in the description down below. The actual price of this bag was $2,623, and after the discount I have to pay $2,300 and 23 and 1, and the duties and the tax, because now if we buy anything we have to pay duties and tax here in Australia if you're buying anything from overseas. So I paid duty $118 and $209 for the tax. If I wouldn't have paid that, this bag would have been around, I think, $1,900, I believe. Let me check the invoice. Yeah, like without tax and all of that, this bag would have been like around $1,974, but with the tax and all that, so I paid $2,300. So I am so glad that, you know, I found a good deal on the bag. But at the moment, like if I check the YSL website and another like Farfetch and all that, they do have this bag, but this bag is retailing for $3,000. So yeah, so this is my new baby. This is my very first high-end bag, and I am so much in love with it. Probably you can tell it like from my face expressions and all that. It has like decent space as well, where you can like put your wallet, like small wallet. I was not actually using a wallet. I was actually using like this pouch that I got from Dior, and I was like putting my card and my cash in here, and I was, at the moment it's empty, so I was using this like as my card holder. But I could have used like this pocket as well if I needed to, but I didn't. So I put this in, like this is empty at the moment, and then like a powder compact, and then like this says Chanel 50 ml perfume, and then I'll put this in. Lipstick, and I can even like put my phone in there as well. So after putting all of that, you can see I still have space where I can actually put my house keys, my car key, and I can actually put a pair of sunglasses in there, but not with the box. Like I'll just use the little pouch for the sunglasses, and I'll put that one in as well. So so I got my wallet, my perfume, my lipstick, my powder, and my phone, and still there is so much space. So it give you an idea that, you know, how much you can put it in the bag. So yeah, I mean, like, I love this bag. I mean, like, I probably have said this like a million of times, but yes, I do. Alright my gorgeous, that's all for today's video. Do let me in the comment section below if you like this bag, or what was your first luxury bag, or if you haven't bought one, which one is on your wish list. So I'm really interested to know. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and until then I will see you guys in my next video. Bye gorgeous.